Hello everyone. In this lecture of the Essential Calculus problem series, we will solve the limit of the function 1 over x. And before solving this problem, I want to show you a few basic facts that we will use during the solution. 0 plus, first let me, okay. 0 plus means numbers that are very close to 0, but still positive. Let's think like that. If we have 0 here, 0 plus means that the numbers that are very close to 0 but still positive. And 0 minus means numbers that are again very close to 0 but still negative. And we will also, if we divide a number by 0 plus, this means that a positive number divided by a very small positive number becomes very large. Then this means that a positive number divided by 0 plus, a positive number divided by 0 plus, it means that it will be, this number goes to plus infinity. And if we divide a positive number by 0 minus, so the value this time decreases without bound, then this goes to negative infinity. Now, to solve the problem of limit as x goes to 0, 1 over x. Firstly, we should substitute 0 here, but if you substitute here 0, the denominator is 0, then we cannot use direct substitution here. So for that reason, we should approach the limit from the right hand side and left hand side. Then limit as x goes to 0 from the right hand side, 1 over x will be 1 over 0 plus. And as x approaches 0 from the right, the function then grows without bound. Then this will be equal to plus infinity. And from the left hand side, if limit as x goes to 0 from the left hand side, x approaches 0 here from the left, the function this time decreases without bound. So this limit will be equal to 1 over x will be equal to minus infinity this time. Because here one-sided limits are not equal, limit as x goes to 0 from left hand side, 1 over x is not equal to limit as x goes to from 0, 1 over x, then this we can say that limit does not exist. Limit as x goes to 0, 1 over x does not exist. Now, and in the next video, I will solve this one. And we will have two different problems this time. We will solve limit as x goes to 0, 1 over x squared minus x, and limit as x goes to 1, 1 over x squared minus x. See you in the next video.